and welcome to Bolton Interchange. Makeshift in the neighbourhood bus driver Ant. A couple of weeks ago I was travelling through the northwest of England and had to stop at Bolton Interchange. I must admit, this is the first time I've actually gotten off a bus and had to stay at the interchange, and I was very impressed with the size, the decor, the design of the building. It's a very clean, modern looking glass structure with brick and steel. A little shop to your left here as you just leave the Bolton Interchange onto the main sort of concourse area towards the market. A lot of space to get in and out. I think it's about 3 or 4 entrances onto the bus station. A little cycle hub here, and obviously the map of Bolton to show whereabouts you are. The interchange itself is lovely. I've got to admit, it's probably one of the best interchanges I've been to. Loads of information around about where the next buses are. Clean toilets. It's even got its own little Greggs. Everywhere you go, you can see there's a digital display showing what next bus is due. I can't remember if I remember any announcements, but definitely a lot of emphasis on making sure you know where you're going. Every timetable you can imagine is available from all the different bus companies. They're all in the TFGM style. There's a little Greggs with a little sit-down area if you want to enjoy your Greggs instead of enjoying it on the bus. The toilets, I didn't go into them, but they were paid, which is great. Hopefully they're very clean. The rest of the station's very clean. Very few litter. Not a lot of bins. Where the bins were, they seem to be very much used. But like I said, every station, every departure board, departure section had a digital timetable above the door saying next bus, paper timetables on the stands, and yeah, there just seems to be a lot it's got a lot of Accrington vibes to it, as well as a bit of Blackburn with a digital display, and as you can see, it's very busy in the station itself, but you don't feel like it's too small. It feels like it's got enough space for you, and obviously it's a huge station. It's one of probably the biggest stations I've been to, and I must admit it's a very well nice run station. So that definitely affects its score today, and I've got to admit I think this might be the perfect station. Giving this station a 10. I'm giving the station 10 for clean concord, having a nice small shop, good information all throughout the entire station. I cannot fault it. This is what you want as a passenger when you come off a bus. You've got a big screen to go and find where you're going to. If you still can't find it on there, you've got the timetable boards, you've got the A to Z boards, and you've even got 2 people in the station in 2 different offices that are more than happy to help you, the travel office and the information office. So yeah, I'll definitely say this is one of the best bus stations I've been to. So if you enjoy this review, let me know in the comments below. Let me know your opinions on Bolton Bus Station, and we'll see you in the next one.